Hello YouTube and welcome back to the Capitalist Investor YouTube channel, back with another video for you. Today is a slightly different style of video, but I still think is relevant to the channel and how to make your income streams grow. Today's video I'll explain how I managed to make more than £600 from buying things online. So without further delay, let's get into today's video. In the UK there are two main online cashback sites, Quidco and Top Cashback. For those of you who are not familiar with cashback sites, a cashback website is a type of rewards website that pays its members a percentage of money earned when they purchase goods and services via its affiliate links. This is at no extra cost to you, although you can pay for a premium service on Quidco, which increases the percentage you are able to obtain. The main cashback site that I use is Quidco, and you can join me in the app here now. As you can see, over the life of using the app, I have earned £636.99 seen on the right of the screen. I can currently withdraw £33.78 and I have £96.39 tracked. Now let me explain what each of those means in turn. Tracked cashback is what I've earned from purchases from the website but money has not yet been received. Available is the monies that I've earned and have been paid to Quidco, so I can withdraw it when I want. Total earned is the total amount of monies I've earned in the cashback site since using the app. This includes the tracked amount, the amount available for withdrawal, and the amount I have already withdrawn. £600 is not a small amount, eh? Going into my statements, you can see, however, that this was not just earned over the past month, but actually goes back to over 5 years ago. You can see that I receive cashback from a number of different retailers, and you can see from my statement that mine covers everything from hotels.com, insurance, car, pet and house, as well as clothing stores, all of which have totaled over £600. If we go into the cashback activity, you can see there are 3 columns: tracked, confirmed and declined. Tracked is cashbacks that have been tracked when I have clicked a link through Quidco and made a purchase. Confirmed is when Quidco has received the monies for my cashback and therefore is eligible for withdrawal. And declined is obviously ones that have not been paid cashback for. Declined cashback can be for a number of reasons. The most usual is not finalising a purchase or purchase tracking multiple times. Since I've been on the site, I would say 9 out of 10 I do not get a declined cashback. So how do you actually go about tracking the cashback? It's very simple. Either using the app or desktop computer, make sure you go to Quidco before you go to the site where you want to make the purchase. Search for the site. Here I'm going to search for Deliveroo, if I can spell it correctly. Deliveroo. There it is, 8.25% cashback. Always scroll down and see what the conditions are, as there may be different rates available to you for different types of customers, i.e. new or existing. Click Get once you're ready and continue with your normal purchase on the website. A short while after your purchase, you will get a notification saying your cashback has been tracked and that all the hard work is done. You will then need to wait 8 to 10 weeks before the payment is confirmed and eligible for withdrawal. This is usually to confirm the sale was legit and the product wasn't just returned, null and voiding the purchase. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is really just as simple as that. To get you started, please consider using my referral code to sign up for Quidco. Link in the description and pinned to the top comments. This is, as mentioned before, is a free of charge website. Signing up using my referral does not cost you anything, and when you register your first £5 cashback, we both receive a further £10. So it's a win-win and you're supporting my channel. If you have any further questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll make sure to reply to all. As always, if you've enjoyed my video, please consider dropping it a like, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Until next time, guys, peace.